what's your name and your role?
My name's Andrew Clawson, and I work at York Sash, and I'm a bath crew leader there. Yeah, see, I already screwed up.
Okay.
Man, dude.
You got as much time as you need.
All right. So what are you doing? You're just gonna cut it out then?
Yeah, he's
all right. I got you.
all of this and like, this is what's going
No,
on.
I know. No, I know. All right.
Good?
Okay.
Okay. So you can.
So, good job.
Okay, you're gonna make him more.
Come on, man. I applied at York Sash after years of working on my own. I was always worried about what the next day was going to bring. And here I don't have to worry about it. There's work. When I got hired at York Sash, I was working in windows and siding. And after a few years, I moved into the bathroom department. I worked under Sean Grant, which he showed me the ropes of the acrylic and went on from there.
Because I had a video of the chickens, come on.
I don't even know what I say about the chickens.
Okay, don't say anything about the chickens. We're just
No, I'd
the
like
chicken
to,
video in
same
there.
would love if I talked about that. It's her chickens, so she would love it. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with the kids and my wife. We have chickens that we take care of. All right. Was that good right there?
That was good.
All right.
You can pick up from there because we'll show the picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got you. All right. I just blank out. The reason why I like working at York Sash is steady work. Great team to be working with. Everybody's awesome down here. If you're in the trades and you feel like that you're in a rut and just not going anywhere, come over to York Sash and see what they have to offer for you and use your experience here.
That was good.
Yeah.
I liked it.